Howdy folks, Kirk and Jay here with Kirk, Giordano Plastering. Today I want to go over a question that the general contractor as well as the homeowner asked me. They said, Kirk, how do we do a transition from stucco to wood? And by the way guys, if you guys have particular interest in anything stucco, we have 800 videos, so we try to, like say this one, I just told you what the title is. I'm going to title it Stucco Transition to Wood, and I'll show you what we prefer doing, and you guys could make up your own choice how you want to do it. I'll give you the way that is code. And by the way, guys, a transition should be, say, if you're going from stucco, which is here, stucco, to wood, which is this all going to be wood here, it should be papered first. Like, say, I told him to paper it. He went way out of the box and papered everything. He Tyveked it. He Tyveked the whole wall. So he made our transition quite easy. And you can see where the Z flashing is. The bottom portion is going to be stucco. Above is this pretty wood that's going to be put all over here. So that being said, had this Tyvek not been here, I would have took 2 layers of paper and came here and then came to this point. But we're already bulletproof for the, say, wood. Here's what you can use, guys. You don't have to use a stucco stop. A stucco stop is 7/8 of an inch thick. A weep screed. This is a weep screed. It comes out 7/8 of an inch. So stucco is 7/8 of an inch. So what you want to do, guys, is you can put your stucco stop first, and then we usually cover it with the paper. But because he's got this metal here infused in the paper, I'm going to show you a different way, because I need my gun. My hammer tacker will not go through that metal. My big gun will go through that metal. Now this is a Lathan gun, PW. What you do is you push this up and you give a staple in it. And by the way, guys, anytime you're using this big gun, put some glasses on, because you can hit, there's 2 pieces of steel here. I don't want a staple to come back and ricochet in my eye. So this is what we do, guys. And that's it. Then the wire can go on top of that. and the contractor said, well, can you leave that metal exposed? And I thought, yes, you can. That's a cool question, because this is galvanized. So galvanized can be exposed to the weather. But just in case somebody says, well, I don't want it exposed, get a little piece of paper. Actually, you put it on before, but again, the guy has those steel straps inside there. If you really wanted to get fancy, guys, you can do this and cover it. For me, there's no difference, except if I go to scratch this, when you scratch over metal, it takes a long time to dry. Or when you brown over it. When you scratch over the paper, it absorbs right in, and you can do it instantly. So, I mean, if you're really wanting to do that, you can, guys. Is it necessary? No. And then what you'll do finally is you'll staple your lath off. And usually we mark our studs. Get your studs in there. And you're ready to go, guys. This way, okay, we got our 7/8 grounds. That just means even the gun is having a hard time going through that, 2 metals. So when we're done with the stucco, gee whiz, come on. All right, when we're done with the stucco, it'll be out here, a straight wall, and they'll put their wood siding right next to it. And that gives you a clean transition. Anyway, guys, my name is Kirk. Jason on the camera. We thank you for watching, and as usual, we'll see you guys on the next one.
By the way, folks, my dad and I are now members of Amazon affiliates, so if you're looking to buy any of the plastering or construction tools you've seen in our videos and you want to support us in the process, you can check the links below our video, or you can go to our website and get them there. If you have any other questions for tools we don't have linked, email us direct and we'll respond to you then.
Once again, folks, we thank you for watching, and I really enjoy all your comments.
If you guys like this video, please click the like button down below, and also if you enjoy what we do, subscribe to our channel so we can keep making these videos for you.
My name is Kirk.
And Jay.
We thank you for watching, and from the entire Giordano family, we'll see you on the next one.